So today I'm working on a BMW with the 2-liter that has the leaky oil filter housing. There's actually antifreeze leaking from the housing. I'll show you how to get to it real quick. All right, first thing, you're gonna take out every one of these bolts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of those bolts. That takes your intake loose. You're gonna take this hose off. The hose comes off by taking underneath and pulling this down. Both sides, kind of a pain. So be easy with it. Be gentle with all these lines. I can take this line off this way. There's that line. Take that off, and then once you get everything kind of situated, you can leave certain things plugged in. We'll figure it out. I'm sure. Just don't break stuff. We don't want broken stuff. Be a good mechanic. Don't break stuff. I left that plugged in because it was chilling. It didn't really need to be taken unplugged. There is a plug underneath here. This guy, whatever. Yeah, that guy and this other plug needed to come off. And then you'll take. Where did that hose go? Hell yeah, it's gone. Here it is. No, that's wrong. This hose right here. You're gonna want to take that off. It's just a clip. For these clips, if you don't know, let me show you. Take a little, I can do this one-handed, it's gonna be insane. Take a little flathead or a pick, so pick this straight up, see it, and it'll lock. That means that it can come off now. Same thing with this one. It's just a pickup from the bottom here and unlock. So take this out of the way. This one goes off of the after run pump. Take this hose off. In order to take this off, there is a bolt that goes down here, holds this whole bracket on. Let me back up a little bit. Get this out of the way. You kind of hook that over there, which is fine. This guy, we can kind of push him out of the way just to get some room. We need as much room as we can get. You know, engineers, they don't give you much room for any activities. So. All right, now there is Torx bolts. The Torx bolts are the ones we need to take out. And the ones that are, the inverted Torx. So that guy, any ones that look like that, those have to come out to pull this off. So there are 5 bolts to remove, inverted Torx bolts. 1 here, 2, 3. This one's hiding back behind all this stuff. 4. And the 5th one is way down there at 5. So there is the last bolt. We're going to take it out. It is way down. That's it. And this should lift. Right to make sure you have a drain pan underneath. This thing's gonna take off your belly pan and make sure you put a drain pan because it's gonna leak oil and antifreeze. There's also a piece that is linked onto, it has all the wires linked to this. You'll have to unhook that. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it pretty decent from the bottom. Make sure you unhook that, and then this comes right out and reverse for install. Merry Christmas. Here's that connector right here for the wires. I think there's one more, maybe? There is, way down there. So we'll have to go underneath and grab that. There's 2 more connectors. One is right there, and the other, it looks like it may be a fuel line, and it is right up there. See a little metal clip and metal clip. Both of those have to be detached, so be careful. Just an FYI, you may want to take this off. So you may want to get a gasket for this, probably before you start. And also, make sure you transfer these clips from there and there to the new one.